All right, well, we just got a story in here today at the Rideshare Hub about an Uber driver who was arrested. I'm gonna try to make this video, give you the latest. This is really crazy. He was just in jail. Well, he was jailed. Yeah, well, we're gonna get into it. So there's a lot to uncover, but welcome back to the show. My name is Dylan, and yeah, let's get started. So, an Uber driver goes by the name of Sakaria Taufau. So this actually happened a few months ago, but I wanted to share this with you guys because I didn't hear about this, and there's some updates that we're looking at today. He's an Uber driver. He kept a teenage passenger's license as a quote trophy for almost 2 years after he R-worded her on a secluded road in Ipswich, west of Brisbane. Has been sentenced to 7 years in jail. Sakaria Taufau, 51, was found guilty in the district court in Brisbane on Friday afternoon of R-ing the 18-year-old in the back of his car. Wow, this is horrible. Prosecutors told the court that Taufau had approached the teenager while she was walking home from a nightclub in the Ipswich CBD and asked if she wanted a Lyft before telling her he was an Uber driver. Court heard not long after she agreed to let him drive her to Fortitude Valley in Brisbane, he switched off his Uber app, which disabled the GPS monitoring, and drove her to an isolated area before SAing her. After the attack, the court heard Taufau drove her to Fortitude Valley before turning the Uber app back on and continuing to complete rideshare trips. Oh my gosh, this guy's a crazy man. Could you imagine? Wow. In closing submissions on Thursday, defense lawyer Dominic Nguyen said the prosecution had the wrong man and the case was wholly circumstantial. There is no absolute or direct evidence. On Monday, Taufau had pleaded not guilty to one count of R-word, but after half a day of deliberations on Friday, a jury found him guilty, calculated and predatory. During sentencing submissions on Friday night, Mr. Nguyen asked the judge to consider his client's offending as opportunistic when determining his sentence. When handing down a sentence, Judge Michael Burnett described Taufau's offending as calculated and predatory. He, quote, he used and abused his role as an Uber driver to lure her into a vehicle. It's exactly correct. Judge Burnett said he had taken advantage of a drunk and vulnerable young girl. She was intoxicated, she was fearful, she was intimidated. You violated this complainant in the most despicable way. Taufau's second R-word trial, it can now be revealed police were investigating a separate similar SA complaint against Taufau when they found the teenager's driver's license in his car. So there was a second one, my friends. Oh my God, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Let me know if you want an update on this story because this is crazy. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe out there. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.